How to cancel Inshot app subscription. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna guide you on how we can cancel the subscription of Inshot. So let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is, if you have installed and purchased and you have the subscription plan of Inshot, then what you can do is, if you are on an Android phone, just go to the Play Store. After going to the Play Store, tap on games, and after tapping on it, you will be able to see the profile on your top right. After tapping on it, you will be able to see the payments and subscriptions option in the very middle. Just tap on that option and tap on the subscriptions option on the second. After tapping on it, if you have subscribed the plan of Inshot, you will be able to tap on it and cancel the subscription. Just tap on it and there you will be able to see the cancel subscription option under the application. Just tap on cancel subscription and cancel and confirm your cancellation. After that, you will successfully cancel your subscription on Inshot by following those steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.